Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can select the whole text or whole page by using a new shortcut key. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So let me just open my text in my Microsoft Word document. Okay, so I have this text right here. And obviously, the common shortcut that we are going to use if we're going to select all or select the whole text is Control A. Okay, so let me press Control A on keyboard and the whole text will be selected. But this is a new shortcut key in order to select the whole text. Okay, so just have to look at the numeric keypad on your keyboard. But if in case you don't have your numeric keypad, do not worry, you can always use the on-screen keyboard. So go in the Windows search bar and type on-screen keyboard will appear under the best match. Okay. So once the on-screen keyboard has been enabled, make sure that you have the numeric keypad from here. But if you don't have the numeric keypad on your on-screen keyboard, simply click on Options. And then you'll find here Turn on Numeric Keypad. Make sure to check that and then click on OK. Then you just have to simply press Control on keyboard. Okay, so press Control. Now, as you can see, Control key is visible in blue color on our on-screen keyboard. That is to indicate that we have pressed the Control key on our keyboard, and then the 5. Number 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Press the 5 key on your numeric keypad. And that's it. You have just selected the whole text. Okay, so let me close the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so that is the new shortcut key on how you can select the whole page or the whole text in your Microsoft Word by pressing Control 5 on your keyboard. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.